All right, guys, I just want to make another quick video here. So I kind of lied to you guys, and I did that on purpose, okay? Because I wanted to ensure that you kind of understood how to get a number, any number, kind of into this form right here, okay? Because once you get it into this form, you can put it in actual scientific notation. And the problem with this number, the reason it's not in scientific notation is because we have 97 here. And for scientific notation to work, you can't have two digits like this, okay? What you have to change it to something like this, 9.7. So scientific notation says you can only have one digit on the left side of the decimal like this, okay, between 1 and 9. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get this way, to change 97 into 9.7 and see what it does to this number, okay? It's going to change it a little bit, all right? So if I have 97, so I'm dealing with this 97 right here, okay? I'm going to change this into 9.7. But the way I do that is I'm going to write 9.7 because that's what I want. And then I'm going to say times 10 to the first power. And the reason I did this is because 9.7 times 10 is 97. All right. So that means this number here is the exact same number as this number here. All right. And you notice we are using our 9.7 now. So then I still need my times 10 to the third power. So I still need times 10 to the third power, right? This still just comes down. Okay. So I brought down 10 to the third power here. So now if you notice, you kind of see a couple of things going on here. This is all one big number, okay? So here we have 10 to the first power, and we have 10 to the third power, and we can actually multiply these together. And if we think about it, we're just saying 10 times 1,000. 10 times 1,000. You can think about it that way and kind of work it out over here, but you'll see what happens is we just have 10 to the first and times 10 to the third power would just become 10 to the fourth power, right? We're adding our exponents. Remember, we multiplied, we just added our exponent, okay? So that's why we did that. That just came back to us now, okay? And then here, we can just bring down our 9.7. So it's 9.7 times 10 to the fourth power. So notice it did change a little bit. What we actually did was we said our decimal was here. This is really 97 point 0. And we moved our decimal over to here, right? And so now it's here. And when we moved our decimal left, when we moved it left, we increased our exponent up 1. If you notice, we have a 4 down here now, okay? So that's kind of what's going on. You could totally use this method, and it works every single time, all right? Whatever number you have here, put it as a single digit on the left side of your decimal, and then whatever you need to multiply that by to get it to work, multiply it, and then just bring down your other multiple of 10 here, add them together, and that's going to be your final multiple of 10 times whatever decimal you had here, okay? All right, thanks a lot.